What is up, guys? Guess what, buddy? I have got a hint for you, and trust me, you would throw me a thank you message after I tell you. But I've got to say this, if you are not an NFT person, you will get all jumbled up in the whole twist and turns. It may even look all fun and interesting to you, but still, you will remain clueless. And that is not good for you, right? I know. I will change that for you, if you permit. I have come with enough details and tools to put you through. I'll not take that for granted, if I were you. Your confusion starts from here, yes? So, I'm gonna take it easy with every information intact. I am a farmer from Farmer's World, and I want to teach you how it's done on the NFTs farming game, and hint you on how you can earn above $10,000 on it. Stay chilled and cultivate a good listening habit now, not to miss out on this interesting NFT game. Hi there, I am glad to welcome you to another boxx video. Kindly take a minute to hit the like and subscribe button. We thank every subscriber, and all our loyal viewers so far. To get daily updates on Shiba Inu and other crypto-related news, hit the notification bell, not to miss an important information. With that being said, let's get right to it. NFTs are all the rage these days. At first glance, they appear to be a harmless viral craze, with collectors changing their profile photos to brilliant small avatars, such as Serena Williams' CryptoPunk pin, which Alexis Ohanian wore to the Met Gala for $280,000. Wait, what a pixelated cartoon worth $280,000? NFTs may be worth investigating further. As more financial advisors become aware of NFTs, they are gaining appeal among non-celebrities as well. It won't be long before a client asks how to incorporate NFTs into their investment strategy. While the NFT terminology may be perplexing, there is something to these digital works of beauty. The technology itself isn't difficult to grasp, at least on a conceptual level, but it's the possibilities this technology provides, and where it can lead us in the future, that are genuinely fascinating. When will the future come? Now, there are numerous NFTs available today, but only a few are worth your time and money. Many people are called, but only a few are selected. That is the case in Farmer's World. It is one of the few chosen, as well as the third most popular NFT, according to OpenSea.Commander, the best site to buy and sell stuff on the NFT. Farmer's World, a wax blockchain-based NFT-powered farming game, has experienced a meteoric rise in popularity this month. The game's popularity has surged, with over 86,000% growth in user wallets and over 11,000 users, assisting it in becoming Wax's newest and fastest-growing game. Farmer's World debuted in early July, but it really took off on August 1st, with over 1,700 wallets active. At this time, the game's official launch took place. From there, the DApp grew at a steady pace, eventually reaching a daily peak of around 2,000 separate active wallets. These user wallets have been responsible for 1.44 million transactions in Farmer's World because every action is recorded on the blockchain. A number of Wax blockchain games, including Our Planet and the popular Alien Worlds, use this on-chain gameplay method. Let me tell you about our experience as farmers. I'll keep some information under wraps and invite you to join us on an adventure in our realm. It's okay if you take a seat now. A manuscript titled Manuscript Number 4848, which is currently housed at Brazil's National Library, describes in detail a strange ancient farm in eastern Brazil. A group of adventurers discovered the property in 1573. However, its existence continues to remain a mystery to this day, since its architecture is reminiscent of ancient Greek civilization, which bears little relation to the culture of areas around the mighty Amazon River. This enigmatic farm town, located within a massive city made of stone, bears no resemblance to any town that the explorers had ever seen in South America. Additionally, this farm town distinguishes itself from the other old towns in South America because it displays characteristics typical of ancient Greece's Ptolemaic dynasty. Adventurous, ain't it? Manuscript number 4848 was written by a Portuguese expedition team in the form of a letter while they were heading from Bandeirantes city to Sertão, a vast region in northeastern Brazil, in search of the Murabica gold mine. On their journey, the explorers found relics of huge gold mines, massive wood workshops, and antique working tools, all hidden deep in the old Amazon forest. Such relics indicate that ancient citizens lived primarily by fishing, wood chopping, and gold mining. More surprisingly, the team even discovered a canoe with two white men in European costumes sitting inside. These two men immediately rushed away upon seeing the expedition group. I'm sorry, but I have to keep the rest of the story a secret so you can have your own journey. But keep this in mind. The story plot of Farmersworld takes place when this farm city was still in its infancy, as the Phoenicia people were drifting on a fishing vessel from Europe to the Amazon jungle. As their food storage got exhausted, they had to adapt to their new challenging life in the wilderness. Each group joined hands to build farms on the seashore as well as in the deep jungle. They had to decide on one option, to die or to fight till their last breath. As they entered the war's preparation period, the Phoenicia started to store food and supplies, exploited woods to make tools, mined gold to buy additional weapons from white people. Now is the time to learn how to play the farmer's world and begin making money. Farmer's World allows users to select appropriate tools, access a variety of resources, purchase land on which to build farms, and enjoy the joys of a farmer in the Farmer's World ecosystem. In addition, the company plans to incorporate both a free-to-play and a popular play-to-earn element in the game. Users may grow plants, cut wood, fish, and raise livestock and poultry in the world created by the business behind the D-app, which is akin to the once popular Happy Farm Facebook browser game. The play-to-earn mechanic is introduced in fight-to-earn games. Players can visit other farms and compete for resources with other people as they wait for their harvest. As a result, players must be cautious and protect their own farms from intruders. Farmer's World's founders also hope that through playing the game, players will be able to not only earn money, but also proudly display and protect what they have made. You'd only think about it if the acts and incentives were useful, right? Then I have the exact information for you. Please bear with me. Because of the tight Skinner box action and reward systems, farming simulation games have long been popular. Players can nurture and maintain items, which gives them an incentive to come back. Farmer's World has utilized some ingenious marketing methods to promote awareness of the game before it goes live on the internet. To begin, in August, a series of drops required players to earn specified commodities in order to be whitelisted for future drops and, as a result, get a competitive advantage in the game. Second, players will have access to a one-of-a-kind membership program. The membership card system, which pays card owners with farmer coins, allows farmers to equip more working equipment and store a greater number of mining efforts. Another intriguing element is that membership cards may help farmers improve their luck by allowing them to receive additional resources during the mining process. There are also 4 levels of membership. The bronze member is the most common level, followed by the silver member, level 2, which is the uncommon level. The diamond member, level 4, is the epic level, followed by the gold member, level 3, which is the rare level. Aside from that, farmers with membership get access to extra mining equipment. When mining a given sort of material, farmers can normally only utilize up to 2 tools at a time. The number of extra working tools available to players is controlled by the card they are using. Farmer's World appears to be cultivated as a game that can be used to earn money as well as a fun game. The secondary market on Atomic Hub is already bustling, with gold membership cards fetching around $50,000. These items appear to belong to the early adopters who get first dibs on the limited edition releases. They may now be in a position to strike if the game grows in popularity and attracts additional players. You know, the recent avalanche of play-to-earn blockchain games is pretty fascinating. There's something for everyone, from Crypto Blades and Alien Worlds to Axie Infinity and Splinter Lands. They've all had success by mixing elements from NFTs, DeFi, and gaming. To get started, that's all you need to know. Remember that these items appear to belong to those who were among the first to receive the unique drops. However, conduct your own research and don't procrastinate. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you in the comments section. So, there you have it, guys. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.